Okay, guys, in this part, we're going to take a look at our constructor function, custom constructor function, but with methods in them. And we're also going to discuss, is it a good idea to put our methods in our constructor function, or should we put them in our constructor function's prototype? So let's take a look. Okay, so we have a constructor function here with a method, and we have two instances, Phil and Bob. Let's take a look, Phil and Bob. And as you can see, each of these have their own greet method inside, right? So if we do Phil.has own property greet, it's true. Okay. Now, what if instead of having only two instances, we have hundreds of thousands? Or if we're Facebook, we have millions, right? We have millions of new persons. And if we have millions of new persons, that means each of those will have to carry their own weight by having their own greet method. If we have millions of instances, that will slow down your app. So how can we fix that? Well, the solution is that we just take the constructor and we access its prototype. Now, person.prototype is an object created for you by JavaScript, since we are using constructors and we're using the new keyword. So we access the prototype, and then we can just add this greet method to it. Save. So now, if we type in Bob, we do not see that method anymore. But we can still do bob.greet, or can we? Yep, it still works. If we do bob.has own property greet, it's false. Okay. So once again, if your constructor object needs hundreds of thousands of methods, right, then you should put it on your prototype. And also, if you are creating hundreds of thousands of millions of instances that needs those methods, that is when you should put all of those methods on the prototype. If it's just a really simple and short methods and you only have a few instances, you can just go ahead and put it on the constructor itself. It really doesn't matter. Okay, I hope that helps. Let's move on.